Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Sunday version of the Posh Premiere. Before I get started on showing you what I have, I just want to shout out to Miss Lynette Jones. She has engaged with us on the group and told me that she would like to see more dresses and handbags. As you know, the last shot was mostly of handbags, so today I'm going to focus on dresses. And so I wore a dress. I want to say that I'm so glad with the progress of the group. I think we're up to like 119 members. My whole goal is to try to have 200 by the end of March, which is Wednesday. If we don't meet, that's okay. I want people in the group that want to be in the group, that want to engage, and I want the content to be what you want to see. And so, having said that, I'm going to move forward with Lynette's request, and I am going to go ahead and get started. All right, first up, we have this cold shoulder tunic dress. I'm going to get closer so you can see the cold shoulder part. Here's the sleeves. It has elastic at the bottom. Here's the back of it. It's really cute. It has a V-neck. It's a, let me see what kind of fabric this is. I think it's kind of like a rayon type fabric. Let's see. Well, it doesn't say, but it's not, there's not too much stretch in it. Let me pull it up so you can see. It kind of curves at the bottom. It's not like a straight bottom. You see that? Pretty colors, nice and lightweight. This item is by All for Color, and it's a size large. And then in parentheses, it says large 10 to 12. So I think we're going to go with that. It looks like that's about right in terms of sizing. Next up is this camo dress. Now, I know camo is pretty popular. This does have long sleeves, but it's not that heavy. And then it has this nice little crossover effect in the front. Let me show you the sleeves close up. So they're just straight sleeves, and I guess you can kind of shrug them up if you'd like. It looks like it'll fall like right at the knee. This dress is by Eye Candy, and it's a size large. Here's the back. It's kind of like a, I think it would be like a bodycon, so kind of form-fitting, but it's really cute. Next up along the same lines in terms of coloring is this one. This is a stretch fabric as well. It has short sleeves. And then on the side, it has this little gather ruching kind of thing going on. So this too, I think would be a form-fitting dress. It has like a kind of a tropical print, and it's an olive green color. Here's the back of it. This one is from Old Navy, and it's actually a size 1X. But I think, of course, if you wear like a large or something, you can get away with it. It has a lot of stretch in it. And I think this is the grabber here, is the little side ruching part. It's by Old Navy, size 1X. Next up is this, still we're along the lines of the cold shoulders. This has that too. Now this one is, it kind of pulls in at the bottom, if you see. The back is plain. It's a nice stretchy fabric. This one is by Moda International, and the size is small/petite. And this one I think would probably come above your knee. But I think the deciding factor for me is the cute little cold shoulder look that it has. Moda International. Next up, I have this real casual kind of jean dress. It has these two little slit pockets on the front, elasticized waist, and it's not a heavy denim. It's kind of a lightweight fabric. This would probably come right to your knee, I think. This one is by Speed Control, and it's a size small. It does have a little detail up in here that you can see. I think the pockets are really cute though. Speed Control. This dress is more of a traditional style, I would say. It feels like a linen type fabric, but it has really pretty detail in it, and it does have pockets. which is cute. You know, we love a pocket. It has this little band around the middle. Not too much stretch in this one. It has a hidden zipper in the back. Nice detail as well. This one is by 9 West, and it's a size 12. Did you see that? Size 12. Next up is more of a kind of a swing type dress, I would say. It has kind of a handkerchief bottom, if you can see that. This too is made of a really stretchy fabric. Here's the sleeves, kind of almost like a cap sleeve, I would say. This one, here's the back. This one is Signature by Robbie B. It's a size large, and it has kind of a drape neck here. But I feel like this is a nice, you know, work to dinner dress. You can throw a little shawl over it, a little blazer or something for the office. This is really cute. I don't think I've said it yet, but you already know. All of these things are available on my Poshmark closet. And in the description box is where we'll have the direct link to the items. Once again, another cold shoulder blouse. Short sleeves. Stretchy fabric. This one has 2 splits on the side. Let me show you the split. They're pretty high slits too. So this would be a nice, cool dress for the summertime or spring or now, and you can put your jacket on over it. Here's the back. This one is by Mad Style, and it says one size fits most. So most, I'm going to say, is somewhere between a small, medium, and a large. I don't think you can go too much past that. So that's the most for me. This one's available in the closet. Next up is a cute little summery dress. Once again, think vacation, think summertime, think showing skin. So it has like a twisted straps, and it just falls really nicely. There's a little band around here that's elasticized. It has a cute little V-neck. I don't think it's going to go much past your knee. Here's the back. This one is by Jane Ashley, and it's a size large. It's really cute. There's some little detail in here that kind of pleats in. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but if you look right here, you can see. So it's really cute. I think it will fall quite nicely. Next up is another tank style dress, I would say. This one has like a kind of a tropical print. It's really cute. This one's stretchy as well. Here's the back. This, I think you can dress up or down as well. It's Easy Wear by Chico's, and it's a Chico's size 2, which I think is a medium. Stretchy fabric, real cute, lightweight. Next up is this dress by, let me see, this is by London Times. I think I've shown this one before, but I think it bears repeating. If you look at the front, it has like this drop thing in the middle. And then in the back, it also has pleating. This is for the little girls. This is a size 4. I think this one too would probably come right to your knee, but it's a cutie. Look at the little detail on the sleeves. London Times, size 4. Next up is more of a traditional style. This is my look. This is what I like. This is by Miss Look. It has a really feminine flair to it. It's a thin fabric, kind of cap sleeves, I think. Little flowers on the front. A little, I think you call this a Peter Pan collar. This one would probably fall like right at your knee as well, or maybe a little bit longer. I could see this with some cute little white sandals. It's a thin fabric, and depending on, you know, who you are, you may want to wear a little camisole or slip underneath it, or not. But this is how the back looks. I love this little pleating in here. This is by Miss Look, and I think I said it, but I'll say it again. It's a size small. Next up is a little, I'm going to call this a little party dress. This is by Bongo. It's definitely a bodycon dress. If you can see, there's a little bit of ribbing that goes through here. So it comes straight down, and it's going to be form-fitting. So just keep that in mind. And I like the little mesh at the top here. That's really cute. It gives it a little sexy look, I think. And then if you look at the back, there's a button here and then like a little keyhole type opening. But this is by Bongo, and this is a size medium. And I'm going to say, you know, small, medium, but probably not beyond that. But do as you dare. Next up is another dress with kind of classic styling, I would say. It's a, it's sheer, but it does have a lining in it. This dress is by Talbot's, and this is a size, let's see, size 10. It's a pure silk dress by Talbot's. And it looks about the same on the back. And I think this one would probably fall below the knee. Available in the Poshmark closet. Oh, and let me tell you this. It has a zipper on the side. And it looks like it has a, you know, the belt loops there, but I don't have a belt with it. So you'd have to put your own belt to go with it. But this is by Talbot's in a size 10. Here's another cute one that's just basic. This one just has a round neck. It's a tank top kind of dress. See that? It's not very stretchy. There is a little bit of stretch, but not that much. So this, I think, would fall right at the knee. It looks like it has like little jewels in it. And then at the back, it's kind of a V-neck. So this just falls straight down. It has pockets. And this too has the loops for a belt, but there's not a belt that's going to be provided with it. You'll need to use a belt that you already have. But this is a real cutie too. Once again, I can't say it enough. It has 2 pockets. You know how we love a pocket. Cutie. Next up is another bodycon dress. Now this one is a size medium. This too has a zipper on the side. It's definitely bodycon. So, you know, if you've been working out and you want to show off those curves, this is the dress for you. So it's just plain scoop neck and also the same in the back. Then I have another traditional style dress. This one is kind of a tank style, I would say. And it also has the handkerchief hem, which is cute. It has a zipper in the back. And this little blue detail follows along to the back. This also has kind of a lining underneath it. It's really, really cute. This is a size 14, and this is by AGB Dress. Okay. All right, well, that's all I have in the way of dresses to show you today. On the next segment, I will combine other dresses with some handbags that I have. Because that's what my customer wants to see, and that's what I'm going to show them. And if you'd like to, you can send a comment. You can comment on the video. You can tell me what you would like me to showcase. And before I go, I want to remind you about the buy one, get one free sale that runs through Wednesday. And so you can buy any item in the closet and get any item in the closet for free. Of course, the lower price item will be the one that you get for free. But if you will look in the description box, you'll find all the information you need on all the items that I've shown. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next segment. Have a pleasant evening.